हाय हेलो नमस्ते. हाउ आर यू ऑल? कैसे हैं मेरे प्यारे बच्चों? होप यू ऑल आर वेल. हैव यू एंजॉयड योर हॉलीडेज? ओके. टुडे वी आर स्टार्टिंग आवर हिंदी ऑनलाइन क्लास. हार्टी वेलकम टू यू. हार्दिक स्वागत है मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. ओके. Today we are going to see one little story. Okay, not story, little like story only. So mostly see if one person, you can see on what is this ticket album, right? Ticket album means the album which we can keep the tickets, we can save and all. Before and all, the hobbies and all will be there to keep the tickets and all there. Hobby ticket collection and all will be there, no? Like that, here one boy, Rajappa, his name is Rajappa. He used to keep he has the hobby to collect the tickets and keeping on the ticket album. Okay, then that time he was taking to school, and the students were very eager to see his ticket album and all. He felt so happy, and he used to struggle a lot to get the ticket and all. But suddenly what happening means, another one boy is coming to school. His name is Nagarajan. Nagarajan's uncle from Singapore, he is giving on album to Nagarajan. So it is so attractive than Rajappa's ticket album. Okay, so by seeing that Nagarajan's ticket album, the students will be very eager to see the Nagarajan's album only. They are forgetting Rajappa's album, so they are not at all listening to Rajappa, and they are not at all asking Rajappa to show the album. They are always asking Nagarajan to give the album. So what happening means, he is feeling so jealous towards Nagarajan. And shortly only I am telling, elaborately it is there in the textbook. So he is feeling so jealous on Nagarajan. And what happening means, one day his bad mind is telling to steal the Nagarajan's album. So he is going to Nagarajan's house when he is not there, and he is going to his room. And when he is going to his room, his Nagarajan's sister is seeing that one. But she didn't mistake her and mistake him, and she is going back from there. After that, Rajappa is stealing Nagarajan's album from there, and he is keeping inside his shirt, and he is running towards the home. And in home, he is keeping it hiding somewhere safely. But what happening, evening when his friend is coming and telling that, what he's telling? He's telling that, hey, you heard something. Nagarajan's ticket album is has stolen. So by hearing that, he didn't say anything. Oh, is it like that? He's telling. So after that, next day what happening means, next day morning, no, that friend is telling that if it is not getting means, Nagarajan's father told that they will go to police and they will inform. Next day what happening, that Nagarajan is coming and asking, yesterday you came to my home to see me, what like that and all. So what happening means, Rajappa felt so feared, and he is telling to what he is doing means, he is going back to the home, and there fire was there. So he is keeping that Nagarajan's album to it, and it was firing like something, so it damaged. So he couldn't give it back to Nagarajan. After that, he felt so pity, and he is coming to Nagarajan. Nagarajan was crying like something. He don't know that Rajappa has taken. Then even he is believing Rajappa, and he is asking what to do. I am so sad like that and all he is saying. So Rajappa is coming and telling, okay, no problem, leave it. I will give my album to you, like that Rajappa is telling. Rajappa felt bad on him and he is telling to Nagarajan that I will give my album to you, don't want to worry. Then Nagarajan, you don't feel anything. You don't have any problem to give your album to me. Then Rajappa says, no problem. You take my album and go, like that. He is telling and giving that album to Nagarajan. While he is moving, Rajappa is telling, Rajappa is calling Nagarajan and asking, can you give only one day to keep that album with me? Tomorrow morning I will give you, like that. So Nagarajan, okay, it's okay. You take it for one day. Tomorrow morning you give back, like that he is telling. But Nagarajan don't know that Rajappa has taken. But Rajappa felt like guilty and he is giving that one. So by hearing that Nagarajan is giving that album and Rajappa was taking that album to his room and he was hugging that album very tightly and he was crying like something. See, unnecessary he has done this, isn't it? He don't want to do. We should not feel jealous on others because they are having means let them have. We are also having, like that we have to feel. Don't want to be jealous on others and don't want to steal. We should not steal. That is a bad thing. So because of his stealing, because of his bad manner, he lost his own album, right? So we should not lie on anything. We should not jealous on anything. Okay. So let's go for the lesson. Take lesson 9, page number 59. Right? 59, yeah. Right, today's date on the up of it 19/1/2011 मंगलवार. Write on it. अब राजप्पा को कोई नहीं पूछता. What is the heading of the lesson? Ticket album. Okay. अब राजप्पा को कोई नहीं पूछता. Now no one is asking to Rajappa. What they are not asking? That album. आजकल सबके सब नागराजन को घेरे रहते हैं. Nowadays everyone are going and standing near to Nagarajan only. नागराजन घमंडी हो गया है. राजप्पा सारे लड़कों को कहता फिरता. Rajappa, everyone are going and standing with the Nagarajan. So Rajappa is telling everyone that he became so proud because everyone are going to Nagarajan only now. So Nagarajan is very pride. Like that he is telling to everyone. पर लड़के भला कहाँ उसकी बातों पर ध्यान देते. But no one is listening to him. नागराजन के मामा जी ने सिंगापुर से एक एल्बम भिजवाया था. नागराजन्स अंकल ओनली हैज सेंड वन एल्बम फ्रॉम सिंगापुर. वह लड़कों को दिखाया करता. ही वॉज शोइंग दैट टू द बॉयज़. सुबह पहली घंटी के बजने तक सभी लड़के नागराजन को घेर कर एल्बम देखा करते. मॉर्निंग फर्स्ट बेल, बिफोर द फर्स्ट बेल, till the first bell ring, everyone will be with the Nagarajan to see the album. अभी आधी छुट्टी के बाद वक्त भी उसके आसपास लड़कों का जमघट लगा रहता है. And half that in between the free and all is there now, like snacks time like that and or break. So that time also everyone will go and stand near to Nagarajan to see the album. कई लोग ठोलियों में उसके घर तक हो जाए. Some students what they will do, they will go in group till his home. When he will go to home, they will go in group to send him till his home. नागराजन शांतिपूर्वक सभी को अपना एल्बम दिखाता पर किसी को हाथ नहीं लगाने देता. What is happening? Nagarajan very peacefully he will show the album to everyone, but he never allow anyone to touch it. एल्बम को खोद में रख लेता और एक एक पन्ना पलटता. लड़के बस देखकर खुश होते. नागराजन only was keeping that album on his lap and he was turning one page and they others will stand there and they will watch only. They can't touch that one. Only Nagarajan will open each page and he will show to others. Like that only it is happening. ओके देन नेक्स्ट पेज। और तो कक्षा की लड़कियां भी उस एल्बम को देखने के लिए उत्सुक थी। What is happening? The girls who is there in the school also, they also very eager to see the what album. पार्वती लड़कियों की अगुआ बनी। पार्वती, one girl's name is Parvati. He became the leader of girls. अगुआ means leader. Album मांगने आई। By becoming the leader of girls, he came and he asked the album. She asked the album. लड़कियों में वही तेज तर्रार मानी जाती है। Everyone are in between the girls. She is only telling as the sharp girl, very cunning, very brilliant girl. नागराजन ने कवर छटाकर एल्बम उसे दिया। नागराजन suddenly when she was asking, he is giving to पार्वती। शाम तक लड़कियां एल्बम देखती रही, फिर उसे वापस कर दिया। Till evening the girls were girls what they were doing, girls were seeing the album and evening only they gave back. नेक्स्ट पैरा। अब राजप्पा के एल्बम को कोई पूछने वाला नहीं था। नो वन इज आस्किंग द एल्बम ऑफ राजप्पा। वाकई उसकी शान अब खंड हो गए हैं। नाउ कट हो गए। नाउ इट्स द प्राइड ऑफ राजप्पा स्टॉप्ड, इट इज़ नॉट देयर। राजप्पा के एल्बम की लड़कों में काफ़ी तारीफ रही थी। बिफोर एंड ऑल सो मैनी प्राइस वॉज देयर, लाइक एवरी वन आर प्राइसिंग राजप्पा's एल्बम, इट वॉज देयर। मधुमक्खी की तरफ उसने एक एक करके टिकट जमा किए थे। लाइक मधुमक्खी हाउ इट इज़ कीपिंग हनी ऑन इट, लाइक दैट this man this Rajappa also collect one by one tickets very strugglefully. उसे तो बस एक यही धुन सवार थी। This he is so crazy for collecting the tickets. सुबह 8 बजे वह घर से निकल पड़ता। This is telling about Rajappa how he was keeping the album. सुबह 8 बजे वह घर से निकल पड़ता। सुबह मॉर्निंग 8 o'clock he will leave from the home. टिकट जमा करने वाले सारे लड़कों को चक्कर लगाता। He will go round towards the boys those who are having the tickets. 2 ऑस्ट्रेलिया के टिकटों के बदले एक फिनलैंड का टिकट लेता। If he will give 2 Australia ticket to anyone and he will get 1 Finland ticket, like that he will like bargaining, he will give something and he will return get something. 2 पाकिस्तान के बदले एक रूस का। If 2 पाकिस्तान ticket he will give means 1 रूस ticket he will get, like that. बस शाम जैसे ही कर लौटता, बस्ता कोने में पटक कर अम्मा से चबेना लेकर निकर की जेब में फर लेता और खड़े खड़े कॉफ़ी पीकर निकल जाता। What happening means evening morning before going to school also he used to do this, and when he will come back to school, come back from school, जैसे ही घर लौटता, as soon as he reached home, बस्ता कोने में पटक कर, बस्ता means bag, कोने में he will throw the bag on the corner and amma he will tell to amma that he is going and खड़े खड़े कॉफ़ी पीकर निकल जाता। by standing itself he was drinking the coffee and running. 4 मील दूर अपने दोस्त के घर से कनाडा का टिकट लेने पगडंडियों में होकर भागता। 4 मील दूर 4 miles far one friend's house is there he want to get a Canada ticket, that for getting that he was going like a running. then school फर में उसका एल्बम सबसे बड़ा था। इन द स्कूल हिज एल्बम वॉज द बिगर वन। सरपंच के लड़के ने उसके एल्बम को 25 रुपये में खरीदना चाहा था, पर राजप्पा नहीं माना। सरपंच द हेड ऑफ दैट एरिया, हेड ऑफ दैट विलेज, दैट हेड्स son of that head, that boy was asking, was willing to buy the what? willing to buy the album of Rajappa for 25 rupees. For 25 rupees. पर राजप्पा नहीं माना। पर राजप्पा didn't allow. He doesn't like to give. कमंडी कहीं का राजप्पा बड़बड़ाया था। फिर उसने तीखा जवाब दिया था, तुम्हारे घर में जो प्यारी बच्ची है ना, उसे दे दो ना 30 रुपए में. He is telling, he is replying to that boy that if one small baby is there in your home now, you give that baby to me for 30 rupees. I'll get it like that. Then I'll give the album to you. सारे लड़के ठहाका मारकर हंस पड़े. Everyone are laughing. उसे दो. सारे लड़के ठहाका मारकर हंस पड़े. Means everyone laughed at him, that boys. पर अब कोई उसके एल्बम की बात तो नहीं करता. But what happened now? No one is asking his album. और तो अब सब उसके एल्बम की तुलना नागराजन के एल्बम से करने लगे हैं. Now everyone are comparing नागराजन एल्बम विथ राजप्पा एल्बम. सब कहते हैं राजप्पा का एल्बम फिसंगी है. His album is very bad, like that everyone are telling. पर राजप्पा ने नागराजन के एल्बम को देखने की इच्छा कभी नहीं प्रकट की. बट राजप्पा didn't wish to see the album of नागराजन. लेकिन जब दूसरे लड़के उसे देख रहे हो तो वह नीची आंखों से देख लेता. Then even if anyone is seeing that album, means he will see with the see from the side. नीची आंखों, like down eyes, he used to see the album. He want to see, but he don't want to go in front of him and watch it. सचमुच नागराजन का एल्बम बेहद प्यारा था. Really, the album of नागराजन was very nice. पर राजप्पा के पास जितने टिकट थे उतने नागराजन के एल्बम में नहीं थे. हाउ मेनी टिकट्स नागराजन हैविंग, दैट मच टिकट ही इज़ नॉट हैविंग. पर खुद उसका एल्बम ही कितना प्यारा था. बट हिस एल्बम वॉज ऑल्सो वेरी नाइस. उसे छू लेना ही कोई बड़ी बात थी. इस तरह का एल्बम यहाँ थोड़ी मिलेगा. हिस नागराजन एल्बम हैविंग नॉट मच टिकट, द राजप्पा हैविंग. देन इवन his album was looking very nice, and it was they are feeling like for touching itself is very good, very nice. इस तरह का एल्बम यहाँ थोड़ी मिलेगा. Here and all in India we won't get this album. एल्बम के पहले पृष्ठ पर मोती जैसे अक्षरों में उसके मामा ने लिख भेजा थे, A.M. नागराजन. लाइक दैट इट वॉज रिटन ऑन द फ्रंट पेज ऑफ द on the front page of the album. It was written like A.M. नागराजन. Then after that down it is written, इस एल्बम को चुराने वाला बेशरम है. Those who is stealing this album, they are shameless. ऊपर लिखे नाम को कभी देखा है, यह एल्बम मेरा है. The name which is written on the up, you have seen. This album is mine. जब तक घास खरी है, till the grass and all is green and कमल लाल and the lotus is red and सूरज जब तक पूर्व से उगे और पश्चिम में छिपे, the sun will rise on the east and sun will set on the west. till that, उस अनंत काल तक के लिए एक एल्बम मेरा है. till that he is telling some example, like grass is not going to change the color, the lotus also not going to change, so the sun also not going to change the place to set and rise. So he's telling some example and telling that till that this album is mine, only mine, like that he is telling. लड़कों ने इसे अपने एल्बम में उतार लिया. Everyone has taken this in their album also. By copying from him, all the other boys also has take down this words in their own album. लड़कियों ने छट कॉपियों और किताबों में टीप लिया. लड़कियां, the girls are noting down their notes and books and all. तुम लोग यह नकल क्यों करते हो, नकलची कहीं के. Why are you doing this imitation and why are you imitating him? You are the imitator. राजप्पा ने लड़कों को खुटकी दी. He was threatening the boys and all. Rajappa was threatening the other boys. Why are you imitating him? Why are you copying that from him, like that? He was threatening them. सब चुप रहे पर कृष्णन से नहीं रहा गया. Everyone kept silent but Krishnan, one boy, another boy was there. He can't sit silent. जा जा जलता ईर्ष्यालु कहीं का. Okay, oh go, you are very jealous, see like that he is telling. मैं काहे का जलूं, जले तेरा खानदान. मेरा एल्बम उसके एल्बम में कहीं बढ़ा है. राजप्पा ने शान बढ़ाया. वाई आई शुड jealous? I don't want to share jealous because my album is very big than his album, like that Rajappa is telling. Then अरे उसके पास जो टिकटें हैं वह हैं कहीं तेरे पास. सब क्यों, बस एक इंडोनेशिया का टिकट दिखा दो. अरे पानी भरोगे. हाँ कृष्ण. अरे उसके पास जो टिकट है, what and all ticket Nagarajan having that ticket you don't have now. One I want to see one Indonesian ticket, you show me like that he was threatening Rajappa. पर मेरे पास जो टिकट है वह कहीं है उसके पास. राजप्पा ने फिर ललकारा. बट what and all ticket I have that he don't have now, like that. उसके पास जो टिकट है वही दिखा दो. कृष्णन भी कम नहीं. उसके पास what and all ticket he is having you show to me from you. If it is having you show to me, like that. ठीक है, 10 रुपए की शर्त, मेरे वाले टिकट दिखा दो. Then what he is telling, Rajappa is telling 10 rupees bet. You show me the what and all ticket I am having, you show from them. तुम्हारा एल्बम कूड़ा है. योर एल्बम इज़ वेरी लिटर, इट इज़ वेरी वेस्ट, डर्ट. हाँ कूड़ा. इट लाइक दैट एवरीवन आर टेलिंग. लड़के जैसे कोरस गाने लगा. एवरीवन आर टेलिंग दैट योर एल्बम इज़ लाइक डर्ट. राजप्पा को लगा अपने एल्बम के बारे में बातें करना फालतू है. उसने कितनी मेहनत और लगन से टिकट बटोरे हैं. सिंगापुर से आए हम एक पार्सल ने नागराजन को एक ही दिन में मशहूर कर दिया. पर दोनों में कितना अंदर है ये लड़के क्या समझेंगे. ही इज टेलिंग दैट आई डोंट वांट टू फाइट विद दम. नो यूज, फालतू है. उसने from Singapore one bundle came and it was making the Nagarajan this much famous. Okay, let it be. I don't want to say the difference between me and him. These boys and all won't understand, like that he is telling. राजप्पा मन ही मन घुट रहा था. In mind he was like feeling some irritation and all. स्कूल जाना अब खलने लगा था. He felt so he don't like to go to school because everyone are in the Nagaraj. He is only alone, so he doesn't like to go to school. और लड़कों के सामने जाने में शर्म आने लगी. He felt so ashamed to go in front of the boys. आमतौर पर शनिवार और रविवार को टिकट की खोज में लगा रहता, परंतु अब खर गुस्सा ही होगी. Nowadays he used to go on Saturday and Sunday for getting the tickets and all, but this time he is not at all going anywhere. दिन में कई बार एल्बम को पलटता रहता, रात को लेट जाता. मॉर्निंग ही यूज्ड टू see the albums by changing the pages and all reverse, but night he used to till night he was playing with the album and after that night he will lie. सहसा जाने क्या सोचकर उठता, ट्रंक खोलकर एल्बम निकालता और एक चार पूरा देख जाता. Suddenly when in between the sleep also, suddenly if he is feeling anything he will take the album and he used to see. उसे एल्बम से चिट होने लगी. He felt so irritation towards the album. उसे लगा एल्बम वाकई कूड़ा हो गया है. He also feeling that his album became litter. His album became dirty. उस दिन शाम उसने जैसे तय कर लिया था वह नागराजन के घर गया. Evening he went to he planned to go to Nagarajan's house. अब कोई कितना अपमान सहे. नागराजन के हाथ अचानक एल्बम लगा है. बस यही ना, वह क्या जाने टिकट कैसे जमा किया जाता है. एक एक टिकट की क्या कीमती होती है वह फला क्या समझे. सोचता होगा टिकट जितना बड़ा हो उतना ही कीमती होगा, या फिर सोचता होगा बड़े देश का टिकट कीमती होगा. वह फला क्या समझे. Okay, now he is deciding to go to Nagarajan's house and he is telling in mind that whatever it's happening, even I want to go and meet Nagarajan. Nagarajan ke suddenly he got one album and he is not at all knowing about that one. He don't know that what is the value of that album. He is thinking that if the ticket is big means it is very very worthy, like that he is telling. But otherwise he is thinking that if the tickets from the big state and all if he is getting means that also is very worthy, like that he is telling, thinking. Who he don't know anything about the tickets. उसके पास जितने भी फालतू टिकट हैं उन्हें ठकाकर उससे अच्छे टिकट छाड़ लेगा। कितने के तो उसने यूं ही उल्लू बनाया है। कितनी चालबाजी करनी पड़ती है। नागराजन फला किस खेत की मुर्गी है। उसके पास कितने भी फालतू टिकट हैं उन्हें टरका कर उससे अच्छे टिकट छाड़ लेगा। What and all worthless ticket he is having. From that I'll remove that and I'll give the I'll tell him to take the new one. कितने को तो उसने यूं ही उल्लू बनाया है। ऐसा how many he made so many people उल्लू, like they other people also thought that he is giving his very his album is very nice, and also I have to go and see his album, and whatever worthless ticket and all is there, I have to take it from his and I have to give nice one. देन राजप्पा नागराजन के घर पहुंचकर ऊपर गया। चूंकि वह अक्सर आया जाया करता था सो किसी ने नहीं टोका। ही reached Nagarajan's house and he is going up. He is used to go, so no one didn't tell anything. No one didn't stop him. ऊपर पहुंचकर वह नागराजन की मेज के पास पड़ी कुर्सी पर बैठ गया। What he is doing is going and he was sitting on the chair of Nagarajan's room only he reached. कुछ देर बाद नागराजन की बहन कामाक्षी ऊपर आई। What is happening? Nagarajan's sister is coming to see who came. So after that what happening, that we will see in the next class. Okay my dear kids, read the lesson, read it, record it and send it to me. If you have any doubt you can ask me in the Zoom interaction meeting. Okay my dear kids, that's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों।